We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. That's why I was keep mentioning if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. We have a lot of the opportunity to look for trade based on 15 minutes, and as we can see, the best trade was which we get from here. And beside that, any correction we could look for buy and whoever bought, and if they keep move their stop loss to break even. All right, as what we were expected, we get the reversal. That's why I was keep highlighting less the price break the previous low, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. Anyway, we move to daily chart. You want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we can see based on daily chart, the price reversed sharply. That's why that's and from now, if you want to look for continuation, the price have to correct itself based on 1 hour chart before we get there. That's mean if you want to look for trade. Okay, this is the reasons what I mentioned. We don't want to see the breakout of 67. Anyway, as what we expected the price reverse. And if we move to forward chart, since the reversal is really sharp, and if we put our fib from here to this down is 60, almost the price tag 61%. Okay, right now we need to be really careful in case this is the part of this move as a correction. Since I mentioned the fib is 61%, we need to be quite careful. That means whoever get the trade, if they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. And if we want to look for next trade, we have to wait for the correction because the reversal is really sharp. Anyway, if I move to based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as we can see here, we don't have any trade setup. We have to get the trade setup at least similar to any of this or flag or correction for continuation. And from now, we need to be quite careful. As I mentioned, if we put our fib is almost 61% as a correction in relative to this move. I don't mean the price is going to reverse. I want to say we're looking for continuation. The only thing is we have to, if we want to look for trade, either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, we have to get the trade setup correction for continuation. Anyway, whoever get the trade within this move, as I mentioned, especially for those they get at the lower price, they can book some profit. And we're looking for the real continuation. And the only thing is right now we need to break out of 2.2. If not, may still we can consider this one turn to a bigger correction. Still we can consider may this one is relative to this. Okay, that's why I mentioned we need to care about the 61% of FIB. And if we want to look for trade, we have to get the correction for continuation based on 1 hour chart. Based on 15 minutes, also we don't have any trade setup. At least we need to get the correction similar to any of this. From now, if we're looking for buy, we need to be quite careful. And as I mentioned, we want to see whether the price can break 2 and 2.2. This is the lines, which is where the first one is here. And the most important is 2.2. Anyway, we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.